A long-delayed jobs report is finally out, and it's raising some fresh questions about where the economy is headed next. CNN's Caroline Woods joins us now live from the NASDAQ market site in Times Square. All right, Caroline, give us the details.
Hey there. Good morning, Dan. Yes, the delayed November jobs report came out just about an hour ago. The U.S. economy added 64,000 jobs in November. That beat analyst estimates. However, the unemployment rate rose to 4.6%, which was also higher than expected. The Labor Department's report also included previously delayed October data, due, of course, to the government shutdown. That showed the economy lost 105,000 jobs. So kind of a mixed picture here. From a policy perspective, the Fed has had to balance labor market uncertainty and weakness with, of course, higher inflation. The central bank lowered its key interest rate by a quarter percentage point again this month, but did signal that the bar is high for additional cuts. So we'll see how this data could impact the Fed's decisions. Let's see how the stock market is responding. At first, we really didn't see a whole lot of action in the first few minutes of trading. We are seeing some red arrows right now, pretty modest losses. S&P, Dow, and NASDAQ each down about 0.3%.
All right, always interesting to see how Wall Street digests news like this. I also got to ask you, Caroline, about PayPal. They're asking regulators for something more than just swipe rights. They're asking for full-on banking powers now. What's up with this?
Yes, PayPal has officially filed to create its own bank, the Bank of PayPal, we'll call it. The company, which also owns payment app Venmo, aims to offer small business loans and interest-bearing savings accounts. According to a statement, it also makes credit lines available already to customers and has recently been trying to expand its banking-like services. The move is seen as a way to better compete against other fintech companies and take market share away from brick-and-mortar banks. It may also serve as another way to attract investors. The stock is actually down about 30% this year. Shares did rise in extended trading yesterday following the news, and we're seeing that strength continue today. PayPal shares up about 1.8%. I will say, though, the bank filing is under review by federal regulators.
All right, one stock that's up in recent months, that'd be Google. Alphabet, big shift for them. It's shutting down a tool that once scanned the dark web for leaked personal data. What's going on here, Caroline?
Yes, this was designed to protect users' private info. The feature would scan data breaches to see if customers' Gmail addresses appeared and what information was exposed. It also provided a way to remove your personal information from Google search results, along with tips on password security. Google said customer feedback showed that despite what the tool offered, many users said it lacked helpful next steps and didn't provide meaningful alerts. Now, a company spokesperson said that the feature wasn't, quote, getting much traction. It went on to say it would continue to track and defend customers' data, though, online in other ways. I have to admit, I didn't even know it existed.
I didn't either. Wish I did. Now we know. I do know about Christmas cookies, okay? It's that time of year. We love snacking on them. Santa's coming in 9 days. We got to get his plate ready. And you're saying that cookie dough Oreos are coming back?
Yes, I hope Santa likes cookie dough. Cookie dough Oreos are set to hit store shelves on December 22nd, just in time for Christmas. They'll feature the original cookie dough flavored cream, but they're going to swap out the traditional Oreo cookies for chocolate chip cookies instead. Oreo maker Mondelez first introduced the flavor back in 2014, and their comeback now is only for a limited time. The company did launch a number of new permanent flavors, though, to the lineup. They're Oreo flavored muffins, Oreo thins, chocolate ganache, and Oreo mini chocolate cream. And then there's 3 more: golden Oreo minis, peanut butter minis, and Oreo Reese's cookies. Those will debut on January 5th. I prefer the thin Oreos, especially the mint flavor. Just in case you were wondering.
I haven't had those yet, but make a note, Caroline. Thank you so much. Great to see you.
Yes, enjoy.
We'll see you soon.